cake friends, welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. Today in the kitchen, we are making some baked donuts. I've got my Zule Kitchen donut pans. These make making donuts super easy and simple. We are making, if you can tell from looking in front of me, we're making BISCOFF donuts today. This cookie butter is gonna be the star of our donuts. We're gonna put it into our donut mixture. We're also gonna put the crushed up BISCOFF cookies. I just ran them through my food processor and they're gonna also go into our donut dough. I'm super excited to make this recipe today. BISCOFF cookies are my favorite. They're becoming super popular. People are loving everything and anything BISCOFF these days. And especially, you guys, this cookie butter. I could just eat it all in one sitting, just out of here. I'll try and refrain so we can make the donuts today, but I'm not gonna make any promises. For this recipe, we're just gonna mix it up in this bowl today with our whisk. To start, we need 1 egg, half a cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, tablespoon of vanilla. We are going to do 2 to 3 tablespoons of BISCOFF butter. Guys, I'm trying really hard not to eat this all right now. It's so good. Now we're going to whisk up the wet ingredients, combine them all. We're gonna add a half a cup of our sugar. Mix that around in there well. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. I'm gonna add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 cups of our flour. I forgot to add our cookies. Hello, it's the most important part here. All right, now that we've got our dough mixed and ready, we are gonna pipe it into our donut pan. I just put the mixture into a piping bag, snip the top off, and now we're gonna pipe it into our donut pan. Okay, BISCOFF donuts ready to go in the oven. While the donuts are baking, we're gonna make the glaze to put on top of our donuts. We are putting in a cup, about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. So we'll start with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. This is strictly powdered sugar. Then we are gonna put in 1/4 cup of our BISCOFF butter, cookie butter. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of corn syrup to give that shiny glaze look on top. If it seems a little thick like mine, I'm gonna add a little bit more heavy cream. If yours is too thin, add more powdered sugar. Look at this yummy BISCOFF glaze we are going to put on top of our donuts. So good. There's our donuts, BISCOFF donuts. Look at those cute little guys. And they look so good and they taste good. Now we are just going to dip them in our BISCOFF glaze and we'll finish them off. Alright, you know me and I love my sprinkles, so once you get your donuts glazed, if you want to dress them up at all, just sprinkle them on. I have a pan underneath this so that we don't make a huge mess here. So the verdict is in on these BISCOFF donuts and they get a thumbs up today. They are so good. If you're not a BISCOFF fan, I promise if you try these donuts, you will be a BISCOFF fan for life. Thanks for hanging out as we made these fun BISCOFF donuts. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for more fun happening over there. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions or want to see something, make sure to drop it in the comments and I will for sure read it and get back to you guys. Have an awesome day and thanks for watching.